Hey guys, welcome to Delightful and Delicious. My name is Stephanie, and if this is your first time here, please go ahead, take a couple of seconds, hit that subscribe button and notification bell right down below. That will make you part of the Delightful family and you won't miss any of our uploads. If you are already a subscriber, you know I love you. Now, today we're going to do something that seems pretty simple, but it's gonna make your life a lot easier. We're going to do perfect hard-boiled eggs in our Instant Pot. Now, if you are one of those people who knows the struggles of boiling eggs, you're trying to make deviled eggs or whatever, and the shell takes off half of the egg and it just turns into a hot mess, I'm gonna show you how this little baby will fix that. Let's go ahead and get into it. Now, to start off, we are going to need some eggs, of course. I am going to use 6 eggs today, but I find that this recipe works with whether you use 6 eggs or 12 eggs. You're going to need some water. I like to use 1.25 cups of water. You can also use 1 cup or 1.5 cups, but I find that 1.25 cups works perfectly for these eggs. And you're also going to need your trivet that came with your Instant Pot, or they also sell little egg inserts that you can put in there, but your trivet works just fine for this without buying something else. All right guys, so the first thing we do is insert our trivet into our Instant Pot, and then we're gonna go ahead and pour in our water. Now, of course, you need your eggs. I'm using 6 eggs, but you could use 12 eggs. This recipe works exactly the same for whether it's 1 egg or 12 eggs. All right, so now we're just going to put our lid on. Make sure that when you do that, you turn your valve to sealing. We're going to hit pressure cook. If this is not already on 6 minutes, you want to turn it or adjust it to 6 minutes, and you do that by using these buttons. And after 10 seconds, your Instant Pot is going to start. Your Instant Pot will read on until it comes up to pressure. At that point, it will start cooking down from whatever time that you set. In our case, we set it for 6 minutes. Our Instant Pot has come up to pressure and now reads 6 minutes, so the time will start to count down. You'll also notice that your valve is in the upright position, meaning that your pot has come up to pressure and your recipe is now cooking. Now, once your 6 minutes has stopped, you will see that your Instant Pot will go to 0 and start to beep. Now, your Instant Pot will start to count up, and we are letting the pressure naturally release for 6 minutes. So once your timer gets to 6 minutes, we will be done. We've been naturally releasing for 6 minutes. We're now just going to turn our steam release handle to the venting position so that we can quick release the rest of the pressure. You will know that all of your pressure has been released when your valve drops, and you can safely open your Instant Pot. And here we go, y'all, your perfect eggs done in your Instant Pot. Now go ahead and drop these babies into an ice bath just to let them cool down quickly to make sure that they don't get overdone. Okay guys, so we have let our eggs cool down just a little bit, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to peel these puppies. I mean, look at that. So if you are that person who likes to do deviled eggs, or if you're on a low carb or keto friendly diet and so you need eggs for snacks or for breakfast, this is perfect. And if you've ever boiled a bunch of eggs before and the shell stayed on them and tore up the eggs and then you couldn't use them, you know exactly what I mean. And this is just fantastic. So I'm gonna peel the rest of these and then cut one open to show you what it looks like. And now here are all 6 eggs peeled. You can see they came out beautifully. And let's just cut one open so I can show you what the inside looks like. And there you have it. Perfect eggs. All right guys, so here we go. Our perfect hard-boiled eggs that we did in 6 minutes. Now, if you like your eggs more soft-boiled, you can adjust your time on your Instant Pot. Maybe do them for 4 minutes. If you like them more hard-boiled, which I wouldn't suggest, but you can certainly do that, you just increase your time. So this is an awesome thing to have if you want to do some hard-boiled eggs. Again, whether you're making deviled eggs on a low-carb diet, whatever the situation is. Put a little salt and pepper on these, maybe some hot sauce, and yes, you are all done. So, you guys have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. I try to answer everybody. And remember, the next time you're in the kitchen, you're keeping it delightful and delicious. Make sure you are subscribed, thumbs up this video, and share it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.